Yeah, it's Christmas. And do you have presents under the tree?
Should I get you one that you can open?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, this is to Marie from Mommy and Daddy.
Are you gonna open it?
Here, come sit right here and open it. It's my Christmas tree. Yes, it is your Christmas tree.
Dad, come here.
You open it. I'll start it and then you finish, okay? It's for you. Rip it open. You sit on this side so you have to face the right direction. Oh, what is it? Flip it over. What is it? It's hair things. Who's that? Cinderella. It's Cinderella hair stuff. Should we put one in your hair right now? Ooh, which one? Should we put a clip in? That one? Okay, where should we put it? Right here? And that one too?
Ooh, pretty.
These are beautiful. Nice. Okay, can you go pick up another present and we'll see who it's for? Whoa. This is for Ross. Yep. That is for you, but this is the last one you're going to open. Go pick out one for Henry. Go get the little one for Henry. The littlest present. That one works. That's for Henry. Shake it. Does it make noise? Do you want to help Henry open it? Okay, you open it for Henry. To Henry from Mom and Dad. What is it? It's a stuffed animal. Can you show it to Henry? Show him what he got for Christmas? Did you open that? Oh, Henry.
Oh, he wants it fast.
Should I help him? I put those in badly, didn't I? Oh, Cinderella.
Is he okay? He doesn't sound okay. Maybe he wants to play with it. Mary, get me my present!
All right, now go show Henry. Go show Henry what he got. Oh, good. Okay, go see what else there is. I'll
Hey,
take
Dart.
Henry out, okay? The little baby one. Go pick out another gift. See which one who it's for. Ooh, this is like the anarchy outfit for Christmas.
The
Who's that for?
ACDC.
Let me read it. To Henry from Santa. Santa left this one for Henry. And help rip it open? It's a teething ring.
Yeah.
Oh, a nice baby toy.
Can you test it out, Mary? Test it out, Mary. See if it works for a teething ring.
No.
It's for Henry only.
Oh,
Okay, go get that other present out. Henry. Who's that one for? Let's see.
What's this one?
Oh, this one's from you to Henry. Do you remember getting this one for him?
What?
Open it up. It's for Henry.
Open it up, Mama.
You open it up.
You, Mama.
Mama's holding Henry. You need to help her.
Here, I'll start it. Now rip.
What is it?
New Balance shoes.
Open it.
This one's for Henry. Oh, you got it. What did you get him? You got Henry a pillow pet.
Oh, yeah.
That's so nice of you. Can you give it to? Look, Henry, it's your pillow pet. Oh, he likes it. Okay, now this one is to you from Henry. Henry got that for you. Why don't you open that one? I bet you'll like it a lot. It's from Henry. Henry got it for you.
Do you need help opening it? I don't know. Oh, you got it.
Well, it's just a box. The present's inside the box. So open up the box right there. What is it?
Oh,
It's Nemo.
is that what you wanted? Yay. How did Henry know that?
Can you bring it to Uncle Zachy? He can open it. Okay, I won't do it again. You get to do it. Is that your favorite one?
You want me to take the tag off?
Yay! Was that a good present from Henry?
Can you give him a hug?
Say thank you, Henry.
Say, love you, babe. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Be back.
Are you going to open it up? How does it work? You want some help? Okay, say Merry Christmas to me. Love you.